Whiteboard Animation. This is the one easy to follow course. Whiteboard animation saves you a lot of time. It is much easier and much faster than shooting a video with live actors. In this course I will show you everything you need to know to make your own animated videos and set up a business to make money. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my course and follow me to where money is animated right into your life. Would you like to make money with whiteboard animation? Would you like to set up an animation business, part or full-time? Let me guide you to success. Let me show you how to animate like a pro.